Hello guys, this is Forex Teacher. In today's video, I just want to show you a quick recap of our Volatility 75 index signals that we sent in our Telegram channel yesterday. So this is something that I do almost each and every day. So yesterday I sent a signal in our Telegram community, let me just say right here. All right, so this is the signal that I send. All right, so if you can check properly, because I'm going to be showing you on a different chart. This one is showing a black background, but just pay attention to the date. Yesterday it was 27 October, and at the same time you can see this long candle right here, and then followed by this one. That's when I send the signal. So our sell was right here, and our stop was right here. Also, our take profit number 1 was here, and take profit number 2. So our stop loss was hit for this trade. I want to show you on the chart. All right, so this is our chart, and yesterday let me try to highlight so that you can see. I forgot how I used to do this. All right, so this is that long candle that you saw that time. Let's change the color so that it's easy to see. All right, so this is the candle that you saw, that huge candle. Let me zoom out so that you can see it. This is that huge candle that you saw right there, and I send a signal somewhere around here at the bottom of this candle. All right, this one right here. So I took a sell right here. It moved in profit just a little bit, and then it moved out to hit our stop loss right here, and then also it gave us another signal now, which was buy right here. All right, so I also send this signal in the group. Let's go to the channel right here. You can see this is the sell signal that I send, right, this one right here. So let's go to the buy signal. This is the buy signal that I send. So this is the same chart. If you check, this is Volatility 75 index right here. You can also see that this is this was the buy signal, right? So I said you should put your buy right here, and this was our stop loss. This was our take profit number 1 at this week right here. All right, and then this was take profit number 2 up here. So I want to go to the charts and show you right there. So this is the buy signal. Let me just highlight the same way I did with the sell signal. Let's see again, objects, shapes. All right, so this was the buy signal right here that I sent after the stop loss was hit for the sell trade, but the stop loss was somewhere around here. So remember when I told you that I put my target on top of this one right here. You can see it was hit right there. This is when the take profit was hit, and this is a massive move compared to that stop which was hit, because the stop, we took a sell right here. The stop was somewhere around here. This is almost 2.2 or 2.3%, which we lost. And then we also had another signal which was right here, a buy. It went up all the way. It hit the take profit, which was almost 2.3 again, and it continued to go up. It hit 4.7% before turning back. So as we speak right now, there's a new signal that just formed. This is a sell signal right here. All right, you can see this red background here. So I'm going to take my sell trade right now, just here, and then I'll put my stop loss. For those who are new to our channel, this is my trading system. If you'd like to get your hands on my trading system, I'll put my conduct details in the description of this video and also on top of this video. So make sure to join our free Telegram channel in the description of this video as well, so that you can also get these signals, because I don't send signals all the time. I only send signals when I'm free. All right, so For those who are new to the channel, I would like to explain how the trading system works. If you see a green box, it means you are buying. If you see a red box, it means you are selling. So right now, this is a sell signal right here. You can see we've put our sell right here, and we are going to put our stop loss above the previous or opposite color candle, right? Like if you are selling, it's a red box, so which means the stop loss has to be above the green box. If you are buying, like here, it's a green box, which means the stop loss has to be below the red box. All right, it's simple as that. And target 1:1.5 or 1:2 or even 3. All right, so I normally like to just put different take profits so that at least I can get all these profits. All right, so first of all, let me just try and send this same signal in our channel, because most of the people are following these signals. They don't have the trading system. But for those who have the trading system, you can trade anytime. You can trade any asset that you want. You can trade like let's just try to save this. I'll just say what. All right, I'll just save it as VIX sell. All right. All right, so let me just try and look for the image. This is the one right here. I'll open via. All right, so I want to make sure that we record this. This is a sell right here. There's the stop loss. Take profit number 1. So this is TP number 2. All right, this is how simple I trade, guys. Anyone can do this if I can do it. So this is the sell trade right here. All right, so let me just save this one. I'm going to send this one in our Telegram channel. It takes me like 2 minutes to send a trading signal, right? Let's just go to our Telegram channel. All right, we have a couple of Telegram channels. There's this one right here. Let's put in this one. All right. Let's do like this instead. All right, so this is going to be our signal, right? We also want to update the previous signal, this one. How do we do this one? Let's see. So this one moved almost from here, our enterprise, it moved almost 2092. So that's what it's almost 4.7%. In points, this is about 2 million points. 2,092,209. All right, let's just update this one. I would like to just copy this one so that I change it. It's easy to update when it's like this. So I'll just say take profit number one. Oops. So take profit number one has been hit. It actually reached 4.7% right here. 4.7%, massive move, right? This is almost 2 million something. 2092. All right. All right. So this is how I take my trades, and it's very, very simple. So let's just quickly, all right, I want to show you just some few signals going back on the same asset. All right, so you can see that there is even yesterday's sell signal that I took here. This was a losing trade just because I wanted to jump in a moving trend. So it's very wise that you only take the sell at the first box right here. When the signal forms, that's when you're supposed to take your sell, and then you ride with the trend. The same applies for this one. You can see this was a massive move. This was almost 6%, which is about 2.7 million points. All right. You can see also another good signal right here. It went down all the way, 4%. So the good thing about trading Volatility 75 index, it's always trending. So it's not always, it's not only Volatility 75 index. You can see this is another massive 5%. And then when you lose, you lose. These are small losses, all right, this one and this one. But look at this one. This is a massive win again, almost enough to cover all those losses. This is about 10% move, all right. This is a small win. You can go back. This is another massive win right here. Massive win also again here. This is another massive win. This is a small loss, small loss, small loss. This is a huge win here. This is a small loss, small loss. This is a small win. This is another massive, massive win right here. From here to up here, this is almost 28%. Imagine making that with no, you can see the drawdown was going to be just a small drawdown right there. This is another massive win right there. All right, so you can see this is the month of October that I was showing you. So this is another win, 4% right here. Another small win. This is a small loss, but it actually moved in profit about 1.5%. Let's just count it as a loss. So starting from 1 October, which is right here, this is another good win right here. All right. So we get a lot of these signals. Here there was a bit of a sideways, but the good thing about this is just one loss. One loss. This is a small win, small win. This is a massive win again. Another massive win. So you get these massive wins, right? All right. This is a 19% win, massive win. All right. This is a Volatility 75 index H1. You can also trade any asset, any volatility indices that you can think of. Let me show you one that I was trading yesterday. This is a Volatility 25 index. This is on M1. All right. That's why you see a little bit of sideways, but you can see this system helps you to cut the losers short and let your winners run. You can see this was a loss right here. This is another loss. This is another loss. This is a small win. This is a huge win right here. Enough to cover all these three losses. Another huge win right here. Enough to cover all those 3 losses. All right, another huge win right here also. All right, so you can see there's a potential right there. So I want to show you how the signals are formed. So this system, once it closes right here, it's going to give me a sell signal. All right, so the algorithm is going to calculate for me, and I'll put my stop loss right here, and so there's a signal for you. So this is our entry right there. All right, so I'm going to put, I want to at least have a 1:1 on the first one. All right, and then I'm going to move take profit number 2 maybe a little bit way down. All right, so let me just quickly go back to our Telegram channel and send this signal. So just give me a moment. Let me just use this one. Okay. Volatility 25 index. Let me try to make them different a bit. So you can see the price is already moved way too much down before I even finish sending the signal. This is in profit already. All right, so I may want to wait for it to come back before I can send the signal, because I can't send the signal when the price is not in the range. Otherwise I'll be like a scammer that I'm sending people signals that are already gone. So this is 21 31 point. I can't see properly. I'm sitting far away from the screen. All right, maybe what I can do, is to do this. All right. So I was just searching for some titles for okay, this one is already moved. So at least you guys have seen how the signals are generated. This is very easy. You could have placed your sale right there. It also give you a sound and pop-up notification. So I won't be able to send the signal because it has already moved, but this is how the signal is generated. So my take profit is supposed to be down here, the first one. You can see it's already halfway to take profit number 1, and this is on a M1 chart, which means all right, let me just cancel this signal. I won't be sending this one, and I won't be sending this signal. All right, so you can see you enter here, 3 minutes, it's already down deep in profit right here. So that's how simple it is to trade volatility indices. So you can see another box is forming right now. So the moment it forms this other box, it means you can move your stop loss from here to just here. All right, so you are also reducing the risk now with the potential of targeting even going way down. All right, because if it comes back and hit this price, it's most likely to turn and go back the other side. So I don't want to make this video very long. Thank you for watching, guys, and keep on subscribing and hitting that like button for me so that I can send more of these videos in the future. So I was about to show you some of the signals. This is for today, starting from this period separator line right here. You can see I showed you here for today, right? So let's go back yesterday. You can see this was a massive win here, loss, massive win, massive win, massive win. So you can see these last 5 signals, only one was a losing trade, and there were 5 winning ones, big ones. You can see you cut the losers short, you let the winners run. I know that most of people who are talking about cut the losers short, let the winners run, it's not practical for them. It's just but with me, this is practical. You can see it live. This is a small win. You can see the signal was generated right here, the price moved up. So the moment the price moves up from here, all right, and form another box up here, which means we are moving our stop loss from here to here. So even if it comes back and hit the stop loss before hitting our targets, we are still losing just a little bit. That's why I say you cut the losers short, let your winners run. The same applies. If I were in a trade right here, I put a sell right here on this sell signal, right? My stop loss will be above this green box. So the moment I form this box right here, the second box, which means my stop loss will come on top of the red box. The moment it moves down here, which means now I'm coming to break even. The moment it reaches down here, it means I'm also coming, I'm following. The moment it reaches down here, I'm also up here. The moment it reaches here, I'm also up here. I'm following two boxes. So it means by the time it will reach my take profit, or maybe if it decides to turn before hitting the take profit, I'll see it right here. All right, but it is already you'll be trailing the trade. So you can see this is another massive win right here, another massive win right there. So you can see myself, I was actually in a trade yesterday here. You can see this trade, I took a buy here, I closed right here, I took a sell right here, it closed up here. This was a losing one. So since it was still a red box right here, I decided to sell again right here, and it reached down here. I recovered the loss here, and then going back, you can see I was also riding with this trend right here. I don't encourage you to take a buy in the middle of the trend, but I did it anyway because I know how the system works, and I was also willing that if it turns, I will just lose there. But you can see if I started buying from here, I was going to make money all the way. I only bought up here, it went up, I closed, I bought again, it went up, I closed, and then I took this one and this one, and then I exit the market. So that's simple, and you can do this. You can see this is another massive win here. Massive win, massive win, small win, small win, massive win, massive win. So I can show you guys a lot of these signals, and it's not going to change anything because this is how I trade. So thank you for watching this video. If it's something that is of interest to you, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel so that we keep on updating you. So yesterday I also tried to test I was trying to run the signals live, like broadcasting the signal so that you can also see my charts as it forms. So I noticed that there was a delay because the computer that I was using, I put it went on standby. So I noticed that when it's on standby, the signals on the other side where I was trying to check if the signal was moving, it kept on moving there, but it was not moving going forward. It was at a delayed pace, which means by the time it's down here, us on the other computer, it was still showing us here. So I think I need to let the computer run maybe on a server, on a VPS, so that it can be live all the time. It doesn't switch off and you get the signals live. All right, so I'm going to do that so that the moment the signal is generating here, you can also see it on my YouTube channel when it's generating. It will be easy for you. So I think I'll do that maybe once or twice a week. So I'm going to start maybe tomorrow on Sunday. So make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you know when I start doing it.